1 p.m. tomorrow. It's the Ateneo Lady Eagles going up against the NU Lady Bulldogs. Let me turn you over now to Andrew Mulya for another courtside report.
Thank you, Doc Ian. You know, while Coach Sherwin wants to fuel the momentum on the side of Adamson, iba naman ang storya dito kay Coach Oji Mamon. Dalang sabi niya sa team niya, guys, kailangan nating i-control ang game na to. And with that, yun ang gusto niyang makita from the team now. He told them that they need to be composed at all times at huwag magpapadala sa kalaban. Ang bili niya sa team, gandahan ang service at receive, and their offense will come naturally. Now, he's also concerned with Aiza Maizo, one of their veteran players on court. So, tinanong niya, no, magandang performance ni Aiza, pero tinanong niya, Aiza, kaya pa ba? And Aiza Maizo assured him na kayang-kaya pa. Ian and Ivy?
Thanks, Ann. Itong katabi ko, tinatanong ko din, Ivy, kaya mo pa ba?
Kayang-kaya pa. Nabis ka namin, Dok, eh.
And again, Coach Mamon, concerned about the veteran players that he has on the squad, no? Pero I'm sure Aiza can handle it, you know.
That's right.
This level of play, she's used to this.
Yun nga sabi nila, it's all in the mind. Pero in your case, Dok, alam ko yung mga tipong ano eh. The mind is willing but the body is not.
It's not anymore.
Oh.
Totoo yan.
Walang
I won't deny it.
No? Lastimosa blocked by Soriano.
Oh, smart play by Lastimosa. Tinapik lang paloob. She actually looked at the defense first bago niya binigyan ng direksyon yung bola. 10 serving 6 here in this fourth set. For those of you folks who just tuned in, ang UST ang nakapanalo ng first 2 sets and itong Adamson winning the third. Nice block by De Leon. Good defense.
Off the block.
Tunay just able to squeeze that ball through the block. Oh, good read by Listana on that drop. Exacto, the same thing. Paul Soriano with more success for Adamson. Ganda nun drop.
Yeah, that's right. Paul Soriano just, you know, softly tipping it
Exacto.
over.
Just enough to graze the tape.
And that goes inside.
Ito na naman ang Adamson humahabol dito sa fourth set, down by only 2 points. 8 serving 10.
Binting now with the serve.
Tunay again. Dug up by Cortel.
Oh, that was a good play from Adamson.
Into the corner.
And makatulong Soriano, talaga nagkakaamuyan lang eh, no?
And guess who just came in? Judian Caballejo. They need offense right now. They need points on the board. Judian, taught by Coach Oji Mamon to do just exactly that. Oh, Jessie De Leon winning the joust against Pau Soriano.
Jessie, of course, clearly has advantage over that play. Kasi galing sa likod ni Pau yun eh. Service good.
Net.
Net violation error called up against
Rhea.
UST.
That's Rhea. She's the guilty party there.
Inamin naman niya. The usual reaction, di ba? Wala. Sino?
Sabi ko nga, wala nang mga amin dyan eh. Caballejo, daga by Sheila Pineda. Uy, ang haba. Oh,
But
there's
there
a touch.
was a touch from the blocker.
I believe it's Rhea who had the touch on that. We are tied at 11 in the fourth. So USD, who has coasted along in the first 2 sets, ito na yung sinasabi natin. Pag nabuhayan ng kalaban mo after being done by 2 sets, kadalasan nagtutuloy-tuloy.
Yes. They go now to Judy.
Oh! Lamang pa ngayon ng Adamson. 12 to 11.
Pau
Look at that.
Soriano. Just placing lang talagang ano niya, no? Because she can see, of course, the blockers right in front of her.
Nice serve from Makatuno.
Service ace from Makatuno.
Ang ganda ng serve. Biglang baba pagkatawid sa net. Isa pa. Makatuno. Oh, poor reception from Maizo. Oh, ang ganda ng set to Cortel.
Ball is still alive and it is a free ball.
Middle attack. That's inside.
Soriano right at the end line. You can see more fluid movements here from Adamson.
Timeout si Coach Oji Mamon. They're down by 3. Let's look at this play. Ito yung set sa gitna kay Pao Soriano. Look at this ball. Just land right smack on the line. Yun yung mga kaninang sinasabi mo kay Pao Soriano. Very versatile. Kanina puro drop shots lang.
Yes.
Ngayon biglang binigyan sila ng napaka-layong long ball. No? Na
long ball
sa
naman. Oh, and the ball is still alive.
Yung depensa ng Adamson humming. Uy! Wow! That was a really bad,
yeah, it was a free ball and then it had to be an error.
Good serve from Rhea. Pau. Dug up by Lastimosa. No whistle. All right, so Coach Oji Mamon saying that should have been an overreach as Rhea Di Maculangan was trying to set that ball and the blockers of Adamson were already covering her.
Reaching up. Let's see about... Well, remember, there was a similar call na parang backliner naman, diba?
Yeah.
This time, backliner naman. And that was overruled by the referees. So, we all know kasi nga, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng diretsong coach ang mag-contest.
Yeah.
It has to be the team captain.
Coach Mamon saying that was a missed call by the referees, but the call will always stand. Yun yung sinasabi natin, ano? Lamang ng tatlo itong Adamson, 15 serving 12. Tingnan natin if this will affect the play of USC, and it seems that it has. 16. Adamson, itong USC ang 12. We'll be right back.